le superlatif avec un nom. Okay, so le superlatif, remember, it's the most or the least in English. Okay, we saw in the previous video how to construct it with an adjective or an adverb, and in that case here it will be a really short one, but still, if we want to construct this superlative form with a noun, avec un nom, let's see how we'll make that. So it's quite simple because you don't really need to care about whether it's masculine, feminine or plural. You just put le plus de or le moins de, so the most, the least, okay? And after that you will put your noun. Okay, le plus de, le moins de, and then your noun. Okay, so let's have a look now how to construct it. C'est la ville, this is the town, où, where, il y a, there is, le plus de fontaines. Fontaines, fountains. C'est la ville où il y a le plus de fontaines. And then, c'est la ville où il y a le moins de voitures. Voiture, car. So let's have a look at these these two sentences, sorry. The first thing that we've got to spot is, well, here it's le plus, and here it's le moins, so you don't really care whether it's masculine or if feminine or plural. You just put le plus, the most, le moins, the least. And then remember that you will have to put your preposition de right after, and have a look, because your noun, fontaine and voiture here, should be without any articles before. Okay, so c'est la ville où il y a le plus de fontaines, sorry. C'est la ville où il y a le moins de voitures. Okay, and that's the way that you can use if you want to construct this superlatif avec un nom.